Hello and welcome to Morehouse's Math Menagerie. Today we're going to be talking about two sample confidence intervals for proportions. Now the problem we're looking at here is that a researcher surveyed 260 randomly selected high school students, 127 males and 133 females, asking them if they prefer honeydew or cantaloupe. Out of the males, 73 preferred cantaloupe, and out of the females, 87 preferred cantaloupe. And we're going to construct a 95% confidence interval for the difference in the proportion of males and females who prefer cantaloupe. Step one is to state the problem. We're going to construct a confidence interval for the difference in the proportion P sub m of males and proportion P sub f of females who prefer cantaloupe over honeydew. Our second step is to plan. We're first going to state the interval that we are going to make. We're going to do a two-sample z interval for P sub m minus P sub f. After we've stated the interval we're planning on making, we need to check the conditions. The first one is random sampling, and we were told that the 260 students were randomly selected. The 10% condition, it's safe to assume there are more than 1,270 male high school students and 1,330 female high school students. Our last condition is the large counts condition. This gets a little bit tedious checking all of these sample sizes times the sample proportions, but it's important that we are able to verify that the sampling distribution is approximately normal. So take your time and check all these conditions. As you can see, all of our calculations end up being larger than 10. Our third step is the do step. Here we do our calculations. Using this rather intimidating formula, we can plug in our p-hats for both males and females, our sample sizes, and our critical value, z star, which is 1.96, and we end up with an interval there at the bottom of negative 0.1973 to 0.0386. Now, we're probably not going to want to always do that by hand. Fortunately, your TI84 has a 2-prop z interval function in it that will allow you to do the calculations a little bit easier than plugging them into the formula. Here, it asks for an x sub 1 and an n sub 1. That would be the number of successes from the first population, our males, and the sample size for our males, which are 73 and 127 respectively. Then it asks for x sub 2 and n sub 2. These are the numbers from our females. And then our confidence level here is 95. Once we hit calculate, we get a printout of the confidence interval with our p-hats and our sample sizes. Remember that if you're showing work here, you need to copy down this entire output, both your p-hats and your sample sizes with the confidence interval that we get as our answer. Our last step is our conclusion. We are 95% confident that the interval negative 0.1973 to 0.0386 captures the difference in the proportion P sub m of males and proportion P sub f of females who prefer cantaloupe over honeydew. Thank you for joining us. I hope you have a great day.